Hi guys, so I have no idea if you know about this or not. Tomorrow, that is on 11th of May, uh, planet Mars is going to its original zodiac sign, that is Aries. Behalf of that, we are doing this reading. First, we will see some oracle messages and then we'll do a small tarot reading. So, let's see overall energy of Aries. So, here's the message: the energy around you is dynamic and spontaneous. Crusading impulsive action is likely. Well, Aries being a fire sign, you are always action oriented, you're always very spontaneous, very energetic. This is what has been said over here. Plus, impulsive, yes, quite impulsive, right? That's true. And very much, dynamic. Again, almost the same thing. Full of energy, full of ideas, full of, force of power and everything. And whatever you decide to do, it's not short term. You always decide for long term thing. You do this looking at the long term benefits and all. That's a great thing. A very good energy. Now let's see what message comes for Aries. Now, if your moon sign is Aries, I hope you have idea about moon sign and your sun sign. If not, I'll give you a little idea about it. So when you were born, basically, at that time, your moon planet was in which position, that decides your moon sign. Okay, and here in India we usually give a lot of preference to the moon sign, right? So if your moon sign is Aries, this is the message given to you: believe in yourself, you need to trust yourself, you need to believe in yourself that you have that courage, you have that immense power and that energy. Just don't limit yourself. This is what has been said to you. Well, what I'm getting another thing over here, like if your moon sign is Aries, then maybe your emotions may come in between, and that is why maybe this message is to give you that remindance. Or at times, even moon also affects us mentally, right? So maybe your thoughts are affecting that if I will be able to do this or not, or emotions also coming in between. So this is your reminder. So if your sun sign is Aries, here's the message for you: a leap of faith, new beginnings. Wow, claim the energy. So, something new coming in your life, some new beginnings. Just you need to have the faith. This is what has been said. Accept it, embrace it. This is what I would say with all positivity. This is what I would say with this card. And I hope you know which is your sun sign. When you were actually born, that is your sun sign. Okay, so let's see a message from planet Mars. This is a basic, actually, again, a reminder: your physical energy drives strength and, just a minute, guys. Okay, and lightning spirit. So, see, this is a reminder for you. So, being Mars influenced people, this is actually your energy. So even if your moon sign is Aries, it shouldn't affect you. I would say. So this is your actual energy. So keep it in mind. This is what I would say. Now let's see a small tarot reading. Let's see what comes up in the tarot behalf of all this. Okay. So our first card is, wow, Three of Wands. So whatever efforts you had taken, they are now coming into fruition. This is what I am seeing, and you're eagerly waiting for it. And now you will see the signs. Yes, you will start seeing the signs. This is what I would say. So be ready, stay ready. This is what I would say. Also, if you wish to, whatever work you are doing, if it is your business or job, if you wish to go abroad and do, if you wish to spread your business overseas also, yes, you can go. If any plans to go overseas, please go. This is what is this card saying. Let's see. Okay. Oh, just a minute, guys. Okay. Seven of Pentacles. You need to have patience, but at the same time, keep on working. Just don't stop. This is what has been this card. This is what the card is saying. Because Pentacles card, Earth energy, so obviously, uh, growth and success will be little slow for some of them, because each and every person's, I would say, astrological planetary position are different, so it is for them. So you need to have little patience, and maybe because you are fire signs and you're quite, impulsive, so this is a reminder for you. Please, you need to have patience, but you need to keep on working at the same time. Yes, in case of investment or something, I would say go into little more detail and only then invest where, if you wish to, wherever you're will to do invest. Eight of Swords. So some of you are stuck in your own negative thoughts and perception that I failed looking at the moon in Aries. So you need to come out of it. Like you're blindfolded with those thoughts. This is what I'm seeing with this card. So please come out of it. It is all in your hand. You are yourself feeling just stuck. You are just feeling this is all in your head. This is what I'm seeing. Just see at the positive side of the situation, you will come out of it. This is what I would say with this card. Just a minute, guys. Okay. Two of Wands. Beautiful. Beautiful, because if you were having some options also, I'm seeing now you are coming up to a decision, and whatever decision you're making, you're being exploring that thing. This is what I'm seeing, and that's a great thing. That is really great. But for some of them, if you're going through any sort of situation also at the same time, you also need to see some adjacent possibilities. This is what I would say. Like, if you're just seeing from one point of view, please, there are some other possibilities also. You need to look at it. Okay. Oh, wow. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. So again, the same thing, that whatever you are working on, it is coming to fruition. That is what I'm seeing. Like your wishes are getting fulfilled, manifested. This is what I would see. Some new opportunities coming towards you. Yes, some new opportunities coming towards you, and you won't be just watching and wondering, but you will be taking action. This is what I see. Wow, beautiful. Okay, King of Cups and beautiful reminder card. Before proceeding further, I would say this is not only for men and boys, but this is for everyone, because this is just an energy. And as we all have, even if we are females or males, we all have masculine, feminine energies within us. So, this card is a reminder for Aries, as I would say, especially what I'm sensing, that I'm saying, that please have balance in your emotions. This is what has been said. This is the reminder for you. Okay, please have balance in your emotions. That will help you also to stay a little calm in this change. This is what I would say. Take care of your health. Drink more and more water. This is what I would say. This is what I'm getting over here. And you need to focus on your masculine energies also. Some of you, this is what I'm getting over here. Like, you know, yes, masculine people, masculine energies are such that are very logical, practical, action oriented, and all. But at the same time, you need to be compassionate. Like this King of Cups, this person, this energy is quite compassionate, generous, giving type, like wherever necessary, or how much ever possible, this person knows giving. So please come into that energy. This is a reminder for you. Wow, King of Swords. So again, I won't repeat the same thing, but I would say one thing, that wherever necessary, please take practical actions. Think logically, think practically. You have that experience. Like King of Swords, this king is someone who is very intelligent, and he most of the time works with all those experiences, with all being logical. So wherever necessary, you need to do that. Don't bring unnecessary emotions in between where not necessary. This is your reminder. Do some charity work, balance your money. This is what has been said to you. do some charity work. It will help you a lot. Thank you.